What is up, guys? David here from Overland Nomad, and on this episode we just bought a $1,500 Land Cruiser. Stay tuned.
Like most of us do, I was casually scrolling through Facebook Marketplace when I stumbled upon a hidden gem, a 1999 Lexus LX470, which, for those who know, it's basically a 100 series Land Cruiser. The asking price, just $2,000. The catch, a ran and drove, but had been in a wreck and actually tipped on its side. That same day, Jacob and I hit the road from McAllen to Harlingen, about a 45-minute drive, to check it out and bring it home.
All right, Jacob, so tell us what's going on.
Bended chassis.
Right there. Yeah, I see it. So we're just trying to get it home. It's rubbing. And right now we're about like 40 minutes, 50 minutes from home.
The way you drive.
Wow.
30 minutes.
Well, Jacob's driving this. I'm not. He did sign a waiver.
I didn't sign nothing.
After spotting a punctured radiator and a dead battery, I managed to talk the seller down to $1,500. All things considered, it was a steal. Clean Texas title, no check engine light, ice cold AC, functioning height adjustable suspension, and a healthy engine. With his usual MacGyver skills, Jacob got to work. Before long, we had the LX fired up and we limped it over to the nearest O'Reilly's Auto Parts for some JB weld to patch the radiator. But of course, things never go exactly as planned.
Jacob almost died, guys. It's straight right there.
It's locked.
Oh no.
I think you know what, bro?
What?
The rack and pinion is moving, so I think one of the brackets fell off or something. Oh yeah, it broke off. You see it right here? Yeah, it came undone. You're right. You have ratchet straps? Ah! You have ratchet straps?
No.
Yeah, you do.
I do want to give a shout out to our sponsor on today's video, Jacob. Jacob's our sponsor today. Go check him out. So what are you gonna try to do, Jacob, to remedy it?
Put it back in its place and then the ratchet strap it and send it.
Send it, okay.
And then hopefully we don't die going 60 miles an hour.
Well, I mean, I'm not driving. You're the one
crashing into you if I do. We're both going. Get all the coolant is leaking, so we have a busted radiator too that we need to fix. I'm trying to jack it up so we could steer the wheel a little bit or move it where it needs to go.
Well, guys, this is a 1999 Lexus LX470. This is basically a 100 series Land Cruiser. It's got 250,000 miles. It's actually in really nice shape inside. Paid $1,500. It was listed for $2,000, but I lowered it to $1,500 just because radiator is cracked, or it's got a hole, and it's got little minor details. But in all, it's in really good shape. Obviously, except the driver's side. But I think the goal for this vehicle is going to be just a trail rig. Maybe we're going to do a road trip in it. I have no idea. But this is not going to stay very pristine. The interior will, but I mean, $1,500 Land Cruiser, it's hard to beat. We need a lot of work to get it really nice and pretty, but it'll do. We are in beautiful Harlingen, and this is where we picked it up. We are from McAllen, so now we got to drive it 40 minutes. Jacob is a genius, so he'll get us there. He'll get us there. Don't worry, guys. Radiator?
No, that's the oil cooler line. Yeah, when it popped off, it pushed it into that hose and ripped it. I'm gonna see if I can. Maybe we don't have to buy it. Maybe I could just cut it and shorten it.
Bro, you do whatever you need.
Go buy GB one and go buy water.
80 series, come on.
After waiting an hour for the epoxy to cure, we hit the road. I won't lie, I was nervous watching that Lexus roll out. Every bump had me wondering if something critical was going to fail, but sticking to the back roads felt like the safest bet. We made one pit stop at the nearby pick and pull to hunt for LX470 or 100 series Land Cruiser parts. No luck there though.
That whole noise the whole time. So what's the plan, Jacob?
I don't know. You haven't told me nothing.
Yeah, actually I haven't. Okay, guys, so we're gonna solid axle this thing. We're gonna make it probably 40s, 1 tons.
You haven't even finished a $500 car.
Oh yeah, actually I haven't talked about that on YouTube. No, guys, we're just gonna get this thing roadworthy, and that's it. Seal that window. It's somehow get a new door,
New doors.
plexiglass or something. I don't know.
New doors.
Just
Give me a mirror.
yeah, but we can. This is the cheapest like 4x4 build we're gonna do here. Cheap. Again, this was $1,500. We're gonna keep it cheap. It's running really nice. Do some maintenance on it, just preventative maintenance. Get it roadworthy, and that's about it, guys. I'm not asking for much, but this thing is nice.
Has AC, sunroof.
It's got AC, sunroof. We actually haven't tested the sunroof, but it's got all the amenities that you would like. It's in really good shape. I mean, for $1,500, you're not gonna find anything nicer than this, especially a Lexus. It's even got the air suspension.
Oh yeah.
It's got probably one of the best V8 motors you can get from Toyota. Just get Jacob away from it so he doesn't chop it or something.